Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sigma 24-70 F2.8 DG-DN2 art lens. Now there have been some significant improvements made over the Mark 1 version, so let's get stuck in. Construction wise, we have 19 elements in 15 groups, 6 of which are Sigma's FLD fluorite low dispersion glass, 2 special low dispersion and 5 spherical elements, all of which are designed to produce ultra sharp images across the frame and throughout the entire zoom range. And with Sigma's nano porous coating and super multi-layer coating, this lens will also effectively minimize flare and ghosting. The 11 blade rounded aperture produces some incredibly smooth bokeh, and the large f2.8 aperture delivers sharp and bright images at all zoom and focus ranges. This Sigma 24-70 f2.8 lens has not only been built to offer high optical performance, but also fast autofocus. And that is all thanks to its high response linear actuator, which delivers that fast, precise, and accurate autofocus. And the high output HLA offers a maximum drive speed actually 3 times faster than that on the previous version of this lens, so the Mark 1 version. And that fast and accurate AF makes this lens perfect for both video as well as stills. Speaking of video, this lens has also been designed to suppress focus breathing, creating that natural looking focus pull when recording. It also features some excellent close-up performance with a minimum focusing distance of 17 centimeters at the wide end and a maximum magnification ratio of 1 to 2.7. Especially useful if you're shooting in a tight space where it's difficult to get a good distance from your subject. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus switch, zoom ring, focus ring, 2 function buttons, and a new addition to this lens, an aperture ring. Great to be able to adjust your aperture at a twist, and you can turn off the click for smooth control during video and also lock it into place so you don't accidentally knock it. It's also dust and splash resistant, with the front element featuring a water and oil repellent coating, so you can shoot away in a variety of outdoor environments without too much worry. Along with all of those functional enhancements I've already mentioned, I did just want to say that this lens is approximately 7% smaller and around 10% lighter than that of its predecessor, the Mark 1. And I actually find that really impressive considering all of the changes that have been made. And I've actually really enjoyed my time shooting with it. You can see why this is Sigma's flagship lens. It really does offer you the functionality, the quality, and the performance that you would expect from an art series. If you're looking for that versatile, high performance tool that's really going to help you unlock your creativity when it comes to filmmaking and stills, then you're not going to go wrong with this Sigma 24-70 f2.8 2 lens. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DG-DN2 art lens, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.